Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair your AMAZFIT Balance free from the Android phone. And unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody, basically anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we need to tap on device, and here on the device page scroll down, find the unpair button, tap on it. As you can see right here we can choose some data to retain. Basically, because if you unpair the watch from your phone it will reset to the factory default settings. But if you don't want to lose all of your data, you can choose some data to retain on your watch even though you reset it. And you have local music, map, golf, app store apps, watch faces, workout history, and scuba diving deco data. So you can choose the data you want to retain by tapping on the boxes right here. And once you're done, you can tap on Unpair, OK. Unpair again, and the watch will disappear from the device page. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.